wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No. Thank you.
No. Thank you.
No. Thank you.
Oh, no. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much.
Oh. Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again. And
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching.
And for being loyal audience members of Dream Again.
Yeah, and thank you for being our friends.
Yeah.
And thank you for sharing your crafts with us.
Yeah.
And thank you for telling us your stories.
Yep.
And thank you for being nice.
Thank you for listening to us.
Thank you for listening to us.
Thank you for learning with us.
Mm-hmm. Thank you for spending your time with us.
Thank you for playing with us.
Thank you for
Singing with us.
singing with us. Thank you for listening to us read.
Yep.
Thank you for being so amazing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Thank you for being our friends.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Olivia, why are we telling all of these thank yous and giving all of these thank yous away?
Ooh, because today we are doing an arts and craft and we are doing thank you notes.
Thank you notes.
Yeah.
Why do we write thank you notes?
Oh, there are so many reasons to write thank you notes. Whenever you want to show someone that what they did was really nice or that you liked it or appreciated it, you can write a thank you note. So like, I could write a thank you note to Mom because she made me some oatmeal today.
Really? Just for that?
Yeah, because she did it just for me. She didn't even have any.
Couldn't you also just say thank you?
I could say thank you, but if I wanted to make a very special card. But you could also do it for bigger things too.
Yeah. Thank you is, I guess, a little bit more of an emphasis. It's something special.
Yeah.
It's when somebody did something for you, maybe to help you out, and you want to let them know that you really appreciated what they did for you.
Yeah, it's like saying you went out of your way or you did something above and beyond, even more than I expected. So like, if someone helps, like Noah, you've helped me with science before. So if you help me with my science homework, I could write you a thank you note because you didn't have to help me with my science homework.
And that would be very unexpected and nice if I would read that, because for me it's like, oh, of course I'll help you out.
Oh, thank you.
But then you are so kind to tell me of how much you appreciate it.
Yeah, and it feels really good to get a thank you note.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
I have to say I love getting thank you notes because that means I feel good about myself.
Yeah, it feels like you did something good and like the person who you did something good for noticed.
Yeah.
It's nice to be noticed.
But you can also write thank you notes for other reasons too, right?
Yeah.
Like what else?
Oh, like you could write a thank you note if someone gives you a present.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or you could write a thank you note if you go and volunteer to maybe help someone with their garden or to pick up trash, you could get a thank you note or write a thank you note.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
What else?
I don't know. I want to go right into
He's ready. Oh, wait, but we haven't shown them. Wait. Don't you want to show them the cards?
Oh, I guess so. Yeah.
Or no?
Sure. Yeah, we should.
We don't have to.
No, we should.
Okay, we will.
So these are the thank you notes we picked out. It's a ducky.
Yeah, a duck.
And it says thank you.
Thank you.
And inside, let's see, inside they're blank.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Inside they're blank. It has another picture of a ducky, but inside it's all empty, so we can write down what we want to write. And since I know what to write, so here's yours, here's mine.
Okay, do you need some markers?
I do. Good? Yeah, I need some markers.
Okay, I'm going to get the markers out.
Can I have blue?
Yeah, I'm going to use red. if that's okay first.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, the red rolled far away.
Here, do you want me to get it? You got it?
Yeah, I got it. And kids, the cool thing about thank you notes, oh, should I tell them this now? The cool thing about thank you notes is you can make one even if you don't have, like this one, obviously someone else made it, but we can make it too. So just like you can make a Father's Day card, you can make a thank you card. You could draw your own picture on it, whatever you want. So yeah, I might.
So all you do is just use a piece of paper and then fold it nicely, and you can use stickers or feathers or googly eyes or glitter and all different types of things to make it, right?
Yeah. Okay. And like this one, I think I might draw a picture in it too.
Dear Olivia, thank you for being the best.
Dear Noah, thank you for being the best.
And I know she likes art. I need to use... Olivia?
Yeah?
When you're done with that red, can I use that too?
Yes, you may. If I can use your blue, please.
Of course.
Okay, I'm almost done.
I'm gonna use red because Olivia's favorite color is red, and I'm gonna draw a heart into it, okay?
All right, here you go.
Here's blue.
All right, there's red for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We said thank you again. And kids, I'm gonna draw a rocket ship because Noah wants to be an astronaut. Yeah, and I'm gonna make him in a spaceship going up to the moon. Yay!
Don't look.
Okay. I won't look. And, oh, I need the orange one. Oops, I dropped my envelope. It's okay, I'll get it. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay. And there we go.
Oh.
And you can draw on the envelope too to make the envelope very personal too.
Yeah, I already did that.
Oh, good job.
And I wrote the name on it so the person knows for who it is.
Ooh, that's a good idea. I'm going to do that too. Yeah.
There.
Okay. All right. And
I'm done. I made a really nice thank you card for my sister, for Olivia. She's going to be super, 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 super happy.
all right. I'm done. Yep. Okay.
Kids, did you make your thank you note too for whoever you want to give it to?
Yeah. Who did you make it for?
I wonder, maybe for their mom or their dad.
Yeah. Or the crossing guard that helps you cross the street on the way to school.
Yeah, or maybe a friend who helped you out on your homework.
Oh, or maybe if one of your neighbors watched your dog while you were on vacation.
Yeah, or because it was just your birthday and you got lots of presents from your friends.
Yeah, there's so many reasons to write a thank you note. And also because they're fun.
Yep, that's true.
Well,
okay, I think I'm going to deliver my thank you note card.
oh, I'm going to deliver mine too.
What should I see? What does it say? It says...
You wrote it.
For...
Olivia!
I made you a thank you card.
And I made you a thank you note.
You
Noah.
did?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, can I want to open it?
I'm gonna show the front to the kids. Oh, look, guys! It says for Olivia.
Maybe I should show the front too.
Yeah. You don't have to. You can just open it.
No, I was too impatient. Look, it says Noah.
Oh, and it has a moon and a star.
Oh, a moon and a star. It's because I like traveling to the moon.
Yeah.
I dream of it.
Yeah, I'm hoping you can go soon. I mean, just for fun for you.
Okay, I'm gonna open mine now.
Okay, me too.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I open it?
Yeah, open it. I'm so excited.
Wow, that's so nice of you.
Yeah, do you like it?
Should I read it to the kids?
Oh, yeah, that'd be nice.
Dear Noah,
That's him.
thank you for being the bestest brother. Love, Olivia.
Yeah.
And it has a picture of a rocket and a space moon. Is that me? Is that supposed to be me?
Yeah, that's you inside the rocket going to the moon.
Oh, the spaceman that goes to the moon. And that's me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Aw, thank you. And can I open mine?
Of course you can.
Okay.
I hope you like it. I don't know if I did mine so good.
I think it's wonderful. Oh, dear Olivia. Aw, thank you for being the best sister. Love, Noah. Aw, and look, oh, Noah, it has a heart.
Yeah.
It has my favorite. Thank you. I love you.
I love you
Thank
too.
you for being such a good brother.
Yeah, thanks for being such a good sister.
Yeah, of course. Oh, and guess what, guys? Now we can keep our thank you cards and hang them on our wall as decoration or put them on our bedside table. You can stand them up.
They're actually a good reminder of good things, and they warmed my heart. Just reading your card really made me feel good.
Yeah, and if you ever have a bad day,
you can read it.
You can read it. Look, and there. So you can just stand it up like that.
Nice.
Yeah. Aw. And now if I'm ever sad, I can read the card.
Yep.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh. Well, I hope that you guys made really cool thank you cards too.
Yeah, I hope so too.
I'll be curious to see them.
Yep, me too.
Yeah.
Send them in. We'd love to see them, and we can even feature them on one of our episodes.
Oh, yeah, that'd be great. We could show you guys all the thank you cards that different kids made.
Yep.
How fun.
Sounds good.
Yeah, sounds great.
Cool.
All right.
Kids, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it. So a big thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. I love saying thank you.
Me too. It's fun.
Thank you.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you for my thank you card.
You're welcome. Thank you for my thanking.
You're welcome too.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment because we would love to hear from you. And we want to hear what you think of Olivia.